Do you want to know how you can install and download Frollo on your iOS device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and install Frollo on your device. Go ahead and open App Store on your phone. After you open App Store, go to the search bar and then search for Frollo. Go ahead and tap on Frollo Money Manager and click on Get. After you click Get, tap into Touch ID, and once you do that, you can notice that Frollo will be downloaded in a while and it will be installed immediately. So, after it has been downloaded and installed, you can now start using Frollo to transfer money easily. So guys, this is how you download and install Frollo on your iOS device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.